I wanted to have a super healthy Mediterranean breakfast, so I called my friend Zohar here to create my absolute favorite breakfast at his restaurant, Yala. And it is Ful Medames, or just Phool.
Ful.
Phool. And it's so good. And we're actually going to create the entire breakfast, but first we're going to create the Phool. And tell us what that is.
Yeah, so Ful is, from my knowledge, is Egyptian breakfast. It's made out of mostly fava beans, and we use also lentils. This is, for me, it's more than food. It's actually a family gathering for us on Saturday mornings. You share it with people. That's what it is, mostly share it with people. But it's more than a dish. It's I smell it. I smell the Saturday morning for me.
Let's learn how to make it. So we've already cooked the fava in the Instant Pot. I'll just show you what it looks like. Fava and the lentils.
Yeah, and you want to make sure you have enough water. Water is a good friend of the fava, as the Phool.
And are we going to make it right in here?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's do it right in there and basically put all the ingredients. The one ingredient that will bring the most of the flavor would be the cumin. So let's do just about a spoon for that amount. Okay, we already measured the lemon before, fresh squeezed lemon, always.
And the exact amounts will be in the recipe in the link below.
Salt. Okay, and then I'm gonna mince some garlic. Okay, and there you go. And I'll let you give you the honor.
Mash, okay.
And then we're gonna top it with cilantro, fresh cilantro. A lot of people like, for some reason, throw the stem, and they're full of flavor. So keep the stem on unless you want to garnish. Roughly chop. There's a lot of cilantro. People who doesn't like cilantro, it get the soapiness flavor of the cilantro. But once it's cooked, you don't get that. So I encourage people with cilantro sensitivity to cook with cilantro, but don't eat it fresh.
So this is still warm, so it's cooking in the Phool.
Yeah, the Phool needs to be eaten warm. Full of nutrition.
Full of nutrition. Okay, so,
Full
so
of
show us
nutrition.
this. I'm assuming you're going to want to cut those eggs.
Yeah, the
Probably
egg
need a
thing
knife
is
for
where's the egg slicer?
You are the egg slicer.
I am the egg slicer. So
You are the egg
yeah,
man.
let's start with the hummus. Okay, the hummus, we're just gonna pour it on the plate. Create a crater. Okay, and we get some fava right in the middle. Olive oil. Get some paprika, just for the color. Let's get some garnish.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice, yeah. The more the better.
And what else would you eat with this, or would this be the whole meal?
You get a pita on the side, yeah, and that's a whole meal.
So I hope you try this breakfast. It's absolutely delicious. It really is my favorite breakfast these days. And thank you, Zohar, for showing us this. And remember, as always, to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion. See you next time.